So hello everyone, this is Raja and welcome to your own channel. Let's grow together. So today we are going to discuss about some important market updates which we should be knowing and the stocks which are there on the correct valuation to buy and accumulate in your portfolio. So in case you are not able to understand the video, even though just watch the video full, and in case after watching the video, in case you are finding any difficulties or anything which you have not understand, please do let me know into the comment box. I'm going to help you regarding the understanding of those aspects. Okay, so in case you have not opened the Demat account yet, no, so link is there right in the description box. You can click on the link, you can open the account and start investing in good fundamental companies. And in case you are not able to open the account, please do contact us. We will make it a very simpler account opening session for you, and with a low procedures and all. Okay, it's a free Demat account only. So let's start the video. So you can see here that Sensex, Nifty Bank was slightly up, but Nifty Mid Cap, all the three indices were falling that day. So Nifty Sensex, if you don't know about that, I will explain it for you. See, the top 30 companies' performance can be shown from Sensex value. The top 50 companies of Indian market, so their valuation or their movement can be shown from Nifty 50 value. And after that, what are the stocks which are coming into the mid cap value? So the performance of those companies can be shown from those Nifty mid cap 100 value. Okay, so you can see that Sensex, Nifty and Nifty mid cap were falling. Sensex was falling by 1.26%, Nifty was falling by 1.32%, and Nifty mid cap was falling by 80%. I mean to say that 80 points. So you can see that. So all the market is getting bearish as of now. Bearish means there is huge bias into the market. But you have to understand that when lot of buyers are there, no, then only you will be getting good quality of stocks at reasonable prices. Because when the market is up, no, so all the good quality stocks will be on higher rate. So you cannot able to purchase on that rate. And this is the time where you have to add up your portfolios. Okay, you have to add the stocks in your portfolio, then only it will give you good returns in times to come. Okay, so let's see the global indices now. So you can see here that global indices, that is called SGF Nifty, is falling by 0.30%. So whole market is coming in profit booking mode. It's not a kind of crash, but it is a kind of profit booking. When the person is going to get the profit, no, they are going to book some profit from them. Okay, so from the last trading session, that is on Friday, so the top gainers for the day is IndusInd Bank, Sun Pharma, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. So out of 4 stocks, the 3 stocks belongs to Nifty Bank stocks. Okay, 3 from the banking sector, and that is why our banking, that's called Nifty Bank, was up by 200 points. Okay, so when you're going to see the top loser for the day, so the top losers were Dr. Reddy, Maruti Suzuki, Hero MotoCorp and Tata Steel. So nearly 2 stocks from the auto sector, 1 from the steel sector and another from the pharma sector. So these were the top loser for the day. So let's have a look on the commodity sections. So you can see that crude oil. So crude oil was falling by 0.13% as of now. Natural gas is also falling by 1.14%. Gold and silver is getting some recovery. Okay. So but in case you want to add up gold, no, so you can add up now as well, because below 50,000 gold is valued on. But it's not too valued, but it is undervalued. So you can, in case you want to buy the gold, no, so you can buy at this price also. It is a good price to buy the gold at time. But in case you are saying about silver is it is overvalued now. So in case you want to add up silver now, please wait for more correction, because this is not the correct time to buy the silver and all. Okay, so let's have a look on the currency. So you can see that USD INR. So US dollar is going under 73 rupees. It is trading at the value of 72.95. So you can think that it is getting weaker and weaker by going days and days. So that is why we can see the revenue loss for a lot of companies of Indian market as well as the global market, and that is why the profit booking is happening here. Okay, done. So let's see the stocks which are going to get the benefit from the market in times to come. So before sharing those stocks, I would like to share some words from my end to you, that you can have a short-term pain in case you want to have a long-term gain. So suppose you want to be happy for the longer term, no? So a short-term pain should be taken from your end. Suppose you are finding it difficult to save the money, okay? But in case you can do it from your end, you can save the money from your end, no? So the same money is going to give you the reward in times to come. So because the inflation is going on, so in case you are going to do some, you can take some pain in the short term, then definitely you are going to be on the winner side in the longer term. You will get the long term gain, okay? So please look into that, and kindly try to accumulate the good quality stocks in each dips, okay? So let's see which are the stocks who are going to get good benefits in times to come. So the first stock which is coming in my filter is ITC. So the full form is of ITC company is Indian Tobacco Company. So when the company has started, no, so their bread and butter business were the tobacco business, okay? But now this company has diversified this business in lot of segments. You can see that this company is there in FMCG sector. It is there in paper company. It is there in hotel business. So it is there in all the kind of sectors which is going on. So this company is having a brightest future, and definitely in times to come it will give you a very humongous returns. So when you are going to see the market cap of this company, so the market cap is more than 2,50,000 crores. It's a humongous number, and this company is also coming in the top 10 market companies of Indian market. Okay, so when you are going to see the dividend of this company, so it is giving you 5% dividend in each year. So when you are going to put the amount in FD, so in the whole year that particular FD will give you 4 or 5% returns. Okay, but this company will give you the dividend of 5% returns as a dividend, and the growth which is going to give you, it is an additional one. So rather than going to the FDs, you try to invest in this kind of good quality companies. They are going to give you the very good returns in times to come. So when you are going to see the price to earning ratio, so the price to earning ratio of this company is 18.51 and the industry PE is 16.81. So you can see that it is slightly expensive than the market one, but this is not in a one segment company. It is in diversification, and that is why you are getting this company at a higher PE. PE means nothing, price to earning ratio. So for earning 1 rupee, how much amount you are giving to the company? This is called price to earning ratio. So when you are going to see the performance of this company, so you can see here that in 1 year the company has given you the negative returns of 2.75%. In 1 month, the company has given you the returns of 3.92% in negative, and in 3 years, the company has given you the returns of minus 26.27%. But as I told you that the company has diversified its business model to a lot of sectors, so there is a bright future for this company which is going to wait here. So in case you want to add up the stock, you can add up and you can get it on. You can get a good kind of returns from this company. So in case you want to see the chart, let's have a look on the same as well. So when you're going to see the performance of this company now, so you can see that this company is having the valuation of 327 rupees. So the company's valuation is 327, and now this company share price is trading at the value of 203 rupees. Okay, so in case this company the stock is breaking the level of near 290, so it will definitely go to the value of 247, and it is going to cross 261, so it is going to become a long term bullish one. So you can see that RSI is slightly getting weaker, so you can find the stock at 200 level or 195 level, so you can buy it from there. You can start going on adding those this stock in the small tip and just hold it for the longer term. You can see that MACD has also given the buying signal here. Okay, so this stock is at good range. So once the stock is getting fall more, just try to add up more and just hold it for the longer term. Okay, so let's see the another stock. So the another stock where I can find value is Bandhan Bank. So you can see that the market cap of this company is more than 49,835 crores, and is a kind of good bank. So the promoter of this company is well known to the market, and that is why this company will be having a bright future. So you can see that the industry PE, the price to earning ratio of the industry is 34, and you are getting in the cheaper rate. You can see that 19.02 is the price. Is the price to earning ratio for this company. Okay, so in case you want to see the performance of this company, so you can see here that the company has given you the returns of minus 23.07% in 1 year. So because of COVID, this company has got a huge punch from the market, and that is why you are getting this company at a very good rate. Okay, so as far as 1 month performance is concerned, the company has given you the negative returns of 25%. As far as 3 years concerned, the company has not yet completed the 3 years period as of now. Okay, so let's see the chart of this company. So you can see here that the company has just listed in 2018, and it has just completed 2 years in their market. So now, in case you want to add up this stock, so you can add up from the level of 305 to 309, and in case the stock is getting far more, try to add up more, because this share is valued at the price of 750, at the range of 750. So in case it is just touching the value of nearly 500 now, so it is going to give you a very good returns in times to come. So try to have this stock at your radar, and in case this stock is going to fall, try to add up in your portfolio on each dips. Okay, so let's see another stock. So the third stock where I can find value is RBL Bank. So personally, I like this bank too much. You can see that the market cap of this company is 12,780 crores. So normally this bank, the RBL Bank and IndusInd Bank, so both banks are having good reach in real estate business. Okay, but due to the punch from the government, because the government has done a lot of restriction in real estate, and because of that, all the stocks which is related to real estate were falling. So in case, and now the real estate is getting some recovery. So in case the real estate is going to get recovered, definitely this bank, IndusInd Bank and RBL Bank, are going to perform very well. So because of that only, I have taken the accumulation in this stock a long back. Okay, so when you're going to see the price to earning ratio for this company, so you can see here that the industry PE is 34.48, but you are finding this company or this bank at the price of 27.2. So you can see that you are getting it at cheaper price. Okay, so let's see the performance of this company. So you can see here that in 1 year, this company has given you the returns of 7.47% in minus. In 1 month, the company has given you the returns of minus 8.16%. And as far as 3 years performance is concerned, the company has given you minus 57% in returns. So you can see that you are getting this company at so much discount, nearly 57% discount you are getting this company. Okay, and as I told you that because of the punch from the government as far as real estate sector is concerned, when it is getting fall, this company has also got fallen from the higher prices. So let's see the chart of this company. So you can see here that RBL Bank has just given you the buy signal here. So in case you are getting this stock at 200 level, and in case it is getting fall more, just try to accumulate on with both the hands, because personally I am very much bullish on this stock. Okay, so you can see here that in case this stock is crossing the level of 291, so it will go to the level of 350, and suppose it is going to break that one, means it will go to 400 levels as well. So I am very much bullish on this stock, and personally I would be buying this stock if it is getting fall more from here. So in case you want to add up this stock, please add up into your watch list and keep it at your radar. So when the stock is going to fall more, try to accumulate with both hands. So let's see the next stock where I can find more valuation. So the next stock which is coming into my list is SBI Card. So personally, this is also one of my very favorite stock. So I have added this stock at the price of 800 rupees in my portfolio. So you can see that the market cap of this company is 92,740 crores. So when you're going to see the price to earning ratio of this company, it is trading at the value of 103 and the industry P is 38. So you can see that you are getting it very expensive price, but it's a kind of mammoth business where it is a kind of over aggressive business. So you can see that the company has given you the performance of 15.86% in COVID time as well. If you're going to see the performance of this company in 1 month, it has given you the returns of 17%. So just think the kind of return this company has given you in this COVID time. So when the COVID issues are going to be solved, this company is going to boom into the market. Okay, and personally I am very much bullish into this stock, and I am also invested in this stock. So in case you want to add up this stock now, you can just add up this stock in each value and just hold it for the longer term. It will give you a tremendous returns. Okay, so let's see the chart of this company. So you can see here that the stock is trading at the value of 986, and just before some day it has shown the high of 1042 rupees. So in case you want to add up this stock, so it will give you some slight correction, so you can get the stock at the price of 900 rupees. So once you are going to get the stock at 900 rupees, try to add up this stock in your portfolio and just hold it for the longer term. It will give you a humongous returns in times to come. Okay, so let's have a look on this kind of good quality stocks rather than those garbage stocks. So let's move on to the next stock. So the next stock which is coming into my list is Yes Bank. So normally I never used to purchase any stocks whose market cap is low or the company is having some red mark, but I have chosen Yes Bank because I can find a huge valuation in this company, and personally I am too much bullish as far as Yes Bank performance is concerned. So you can see that the market cap of this value of this company is at the price of more than 39.461,000 crores. So it is a humongous number as far as banking sector is concerned, as far as mid cap numbers are concerned. So you can see that the company is trading at the valuation of 13.35 PE. Price to earning ratio is 13.33, and the industry PE is 34. You are getting the much cheapest rate. So once you are going to see the performance of this company now, so I will get in there for you. So you can see that in 1 year, the company has given you the returns of 11.676% in negative, and in 1 month, the company has given you the returns of 11.27% in negative. So as far as 3 years performance is concerned, you are getting this stock at 5% of the highest value. Okay, you are getting that 95% cheaper than the market rate. So let's see the kind of chart of this company. So you can see here the reason why I have chosen this stock. So you can see that the MACD has given you the selling signal at the price of 354 rupees, and it started falling like a knife, and now you can see that it has given you the buying signal here. Okay, so you can add up here, and my small suggestion and humble request is there. In case you want to add up this stock, no, so please add up and just forget it. In case you can give at least 3 years time to the stock, no, it will give you a multi-bagger returns. Okay, so please give the time, because lot of good investors are coming into this company, and they are investing. They are finding some good quality into the stocks, as SBI and lot of good investors has been investing in this stock. So in case you want to invest, you can just try to invest in the stock and just hold it for a longer term. It will give you a humongous returns. Okay, so please add up and just make sure that you have to give some time to this company. Then only this company will give you the good returns. Okay, so let's see another stock. So the next stock which is coming in my radar is L&T Finance Holding. So personally I like this company too much. So the share price of this company is trading at the value of 86 rupees. So you can see the market cap of this company is trading at the value of 21,237 crores. So you can see that the price to earning ratio is 53 here, and the industry PE is 38. So it's a kind of market leader as far as finance providing is concerned. So you can see that you are getting a much higher price. You can see that the dividend is 1%. So it is a kind of good dividend percentage as far as mid cap companies are concerned. So once you're going to see the performance of this company, no, so in 1 year the company has given you the performance of 1.32% in negative. When you're going to see the performance of 1 month, this company has given you the performance of 1.58% in negative, but in 6 months it has given you a multi-bagger returns. It has given you 48% returns. So as far as 3 years performance is concerned, the company has given you the returns of 48% in negative. Okay, so the company is coming into the buying radar. Let's see in the chart as well. So you can see here that the stock is trading at a value of 86 rupees, and after a longer time, so you can see that MACD has given you the selling signal at the price of 190, and now the share is trading at the value of 86 rupees. So it has given you the buying signal now. So in case you can add up here and just be patient, it will give you a humongous returns. If it is coming to its normal 200 level itself, no, it will double your money. Okay, so you can just add up the stock into your radar. Just add up the kind of accumulation you can do in this stock, and just have patience and be invested. It will give you good returns in times to come. So let's see the next stock which is coming into my radar. So the next stock which is coming into my radar is Happiest Mind. And personally I like this company too much. So normally the upgradation of the applications are going to be done from these companies only. Like Happiest Mind is a kind of IT company only, but the application they are going to do the upgradations. A lot of good opportunities are going to come for this company in times to come. So this company has listed just some days before. So the market cap of this company is trading at the value of 5,098 crores, and the industry PE is 30, and you're getting it at a cheaper rate. Okay, you're getting the value of 20.0141 PE. So once you're going to see the performance of this company, the company is trading at the value of 0.84% in 1 year. It has given you a flat returns. In as far as 1 month performance is concerned, the company has given you negative returns, but it has not drained your money, just 0.27%. So as I told you that the company has listed just some days before, and that is why we cannot able to judge this company's performance in longer run. So let's see the chart of this company. So you can see here that just now MACD has given you the selling signal. So a slight correction is pending here. So in case you can get the stock at the value of 338 to 330 levels, you can just add up the stock and just forget it here. It will give you really, it will double your money. In case its company is going to do the normal business as well, no, it will double your money as far as my knowledge is concerned. So in case you want to add up, personally I am also going to accumulate this stock once it is going to fall by 330. I'm waiting for that level. Okay, so let's see the next stock which is coming into my radar. So the final stock which is coming into my radar is Indiabulls Housing Finance. So as I told you that real estate sector is getting some recovery. Okay, and because of that only I have chosen this company. So personally I'm having some good holdings in this company. So you can see that the price of this company is trading at the value of 190.85. So the market cap of this company is 8,823 crores. So once you're going to see the market value, market industry PE, so you can see that 19.57 is the PE, price to earning ratio of industry, and you are getting it a much nearly 1/4 of the PE of the industry. So you are getting the stock at very cheaper rate. So personally I will ask you that you have to buy at least 3 or 4 stocks of this company. In case you are having small money, just try to add up. I will show you what is the actual value of this company. So once you're going to see the returns of this company in 1 year, the company has given you the negative returns of 13.37%. As far as 1 month performance is concerned, the company has given you the returns of 11.64%. As far as 3 years performance is concerned, the company has given you the 86% negative result. So you can think the kind of punch this company has got from the market, because the government has not done good things about the real estate sector. Okay, so let's see the chart of this company. So you can see here that the stock is falling since longer time. You can see that in 2018 the stock was trading at the price of 1,300. It was trading at the value of nearly 1,400 nearly. So from that time, MACD has given you the selling signal, and just now before some days, the MACD has given you the buying signal. So just think about that. What is the expectation of this company into the market? So just if the company is going to get a normal returns, you can see here that if the stock is getting breaking the level of 200, no, it will definitely come to the value of 320. You will be getting a huge interest from here. So my personal recommendation, in case you are buying other stocks or not, at least you have to accumulate this stock on dips. Each dips you can buy it now level as well, and just hold it for longer term. I'm extremely bullish in this stock as well. Okay, so I have given you a lot of stocks here, so you have to choose according to your likeness, which stocks you like. So personally, I like Indiabulls Housing Finance too much. Personally, I like SBI card too much, Happiest Mind, RBL Bank, even each and every stock which I have told you, personally those are my favorite stocks. Okay, because I have been following those stock details on regular basis. Yes Bank is one where I am finding huge potential as far as long term performance is concerned, and that is why I have got some good holdings in the company as well. So same like that, just accumulate in each dips and just forget it. Market is going to work for you. Market is going to be up only in the upper trend or in times to come. Okay, so please be patient, please be invested, don't get panic into the market. Panic will happen, but you have to be patient. Okay, the market will give you a very good returns. Okay, so that's all for the day. In case you are finding any difficulties, in case you are finding any kind of help from my end, no, so please do let me know into the comment box. I'm going to help you. And in case you are finding difficulties to open the Demat account, please drop the comment into the comment box. I'm going to help you. Okay, so that's all. Let's wind up for the day.